pangalan mo?
Raul.
Ano pangalan mo?
Miguel.
Here's for you. How are you tomorrow?
Kasakapayong Inday.
Everyone!
Papansin.
Welcome back to my channel! Yes, for today's video, nandito tayo ngayon sa Zapanta Resort here in Antipolo, Rizal. As you can see, kung napapanood niyo yung mga past vlog ko, dito rin kami nag-swimming. Siguro pakilang ko ng swimming to, babe? Pang 5th times na namin nag-swimming dito sa Zapanta Resort. And you know why, guys? Bakit gusto namin balikan ng Zapanta Resort? Because swimming pool dito sa Zapanta Resort is walang chlorine. So fresh running water siya from the mountain. Kaya super fresh ang water, so hindi ka dapat mag-worry. But anyway, stay tuned and sit back and yeah, enjoy the rest of the vlog.
Meron tayong dalang pomelo. So we're making, anong English ang itlog na maalat?
Salted egg. Ay,
Kung talino nito guys. Bigyan mo nga sa kanya, say ko, ano yan ay?
Sama na dayo. Biko.
Nalaglag daw yung ano.
Kasakapayong Inday.
To avoid sunlight. Hi guys! Actually, pinophotoshoot ko muna yung may-ari ng sikat na salon dito sa Antipolo na si Miss Tonette Loyola. Ayan, oh, may mama pag ganyan eh. Ayan! Yan, one.
Dig na!
Tama yun, yan. One. Ready na tayo para mag-swim ngayon and pinapakita mo yung ano ko. Time check, it's already 1:30 in the afternoon here and yes, it's time to swim. Magandang panahon, maaraw and malamig ang tubig. Timing din dahil nga it's Sunday, it's family day and of course friendship day. Kaya laban na natin to, Ate Bea. So it's Sunday, it means it's family day and of course friendship day. Kaya nagkaroon kami ng chance na magsama-sama here in Zapanta Resort. And look, Look at the weather. It's so beautiful. Maaraw. Maaraw. And syempre maraming tao. Ayan. And of course, Frenny. Ang ating cameraman. Bea. Of course.
How are you tomorrow?
Lawrence. Ayan na. Hindi pa siya naka-outfit. Hindi pa siya nag-change outfit. And of course, the one and only Miss Mariah. Wow.
Here's for you. How are you tomorrow?
This is so good. GSM Margarita. Okay guys, sa mga nagtatanong kung saan itong bandang resort na to, actually malapit lang siya. Itong resort na to ay matatagpuan dito sa likod ng RC. If you are familiar dito sa RC Cola factory dito sa Rizal, nasa likod lang siya ng RC factory. Tama, di ba? So eto, makikita ito yung pinaka-landmark, yung bundok na yan. From Kogyo Gate to loob, siguro kung mag-jeep lang kayo, siguro mga 10 minutes ride lang yon, and then yun na siya, malapit na siya. So, sa Panta Resort here in Antipolo, Rizal. Okay, makikigapit bahay tayo dito sa kabilang cottage. So, ayun sila. Ang daming tao. Tuloy lang po. Taga saan kayo?
Taga Antipolo.
Ano meron? Anong sinaselebrate?
Birthday niya.
Happy birthday, Nino!
Dino.
Happy birthday! Yan, subukan na natin lumusong ngayon dito sa swimming pool nila. Actually, nakita nyo na to sa last vlog ko. Nag-swimming kami dito sa Zapata Resort. Yun nga, sabi ko nga sa inyo, fresh running water and walang chlorine, kaya nanlamin. So, Bea, come on, let's go! So yan guys, dito na tayo ngayon sa pool at oh my god! Medyo malamig ang tubig and medyo malabo na rin. Medyo hindi na healthy yung water natin. But it's okay because it's running water. Sabi ko nga kanina, it's running water dito sa Zapata Resort. And you should visit Zapata Resort here in Antipolo. Frenny, how's your experience here?
Nice! I love it!
You love it?
Yes.
Na-relax ka?
Yeah!
Wala yung stress mo kahit panandalian lang?
Yes! Very nature! I love the place!
How's the water?
Very nice! Bukal siya! Talagang
Malamig?
spring oh!
Bongga, diba?
Yes!
So how are you feeling tomorrow? Well, I think tomorrow I'm gonna get sick. Another stiffness. And I'm gonna experience the massive stiff neck. But anyway, it's really fun today because it's Sunday together with friends bonding. At dito ko natatapusin ang aking video. If you like this video, give me a massive thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Jersey Madrigal. And I hope yan, nag-enjoy kayo sa aming weekend getaway here in Sapanta Resort. Until next time guys, together with my friends.